Okay, here is a citrus tree. Has beautiful little citrus growing on it. It's planted in the ground. Under there, it's planted in the ground in Alabama. It's got these, it's pruned really well. Oh, there's a Satsuma orange right there. Anyway, it's propped up with these branches, some kind of branch. It's propping up the limbs. The tops have been cut, so you don't have to reach high to harvest. And it's growing under this very large greenhouse. What an awesome deal. Look at that. It is quite large at the base. They've been here a while. These are beautiful, beautiful trees.